No, not the pianist keyboard. The keyboards we use as video editors. A lot of things are happening within technology is expanding its horizon into phones, where a lot of people are editing on your phones than you're with a keyboard and a mouse. Should most video editors use keyboards with shortcuts? Well, I'm going to discuss with this. I myself have started within video editing, and I myself have used keyboards with shortcuts before, and I would not recommend it. I would recommend it for beginners to use it for, because then they can actually learn the keyboard shortcuts. And what I would do if you're using Premiere, like I always use behind me, what I would do is I would just start using regular video editing. I would just place like stickers. I would use the stickers, and then I would open the keyboard shortcut onto your computer and see what you use when you edit your videos. Like I use Blade, because that's a common video, and then I use selection, and I use the zoom, and sometimes I use the trim if I need to use it. I use multiple things when I edit videos. I mainly use the mic in and mic out, and then if I need to clear it out from the timeline, I just hit clear in and clear out, just right click it. I mainly use my mouse when I edit. I don't really use my keyboards. I just don't use keyboards. I just use a mouse. I don't use keyboards. I sometimes use keyboards when I have to push play, and then if I need to use the arrows to go back to that last scene to know what I actually edited before to play back it again. But I would recommend using like stickers. Use stickers, and then you place it on your keys of where those are at, and like that. Or if you're really big on this, a lot of YouTubers have label makers. Use a label maker and put all your labels onto your keys, and you can learn from that way. Especially if you're learning into Premiere. Premiere is the best video editing software out there right now than Final Cut. I'm just saying. A lot of Final Cutters are not gonna like me right now, but I'm just saying. Premiere is the best software to use. If you want to learn it, I would definitely use keyboard shortcuts. For your keyboard shortcuts, just use what they have. I believe it's in the settings on Premiere, and you just place it onto your keyboard. What kind of keys you need to use for that shortcut, so when you're editing your video, you'll know what to push on your keyboard as a guide. I kind of like it as a guide if you're that interested. So that is pretty much it today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @StemiusLive, and see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe for more videos, and let me know in the comments below if you're a video editor and you thought this video was very helpful. Believe me, I think it's very helpful. Yes. Especially if you are making videos about Donald Trump. Definitely use the keyboard shortcut tool that I told you. If you have a label maker, that's great. If you don't, use stickers. Maybe you could buy like those stickers you see in the store, and then you could just blacken it out, and then just use a whiteout, one of those whiteout pens, and just put the key onto your keyboard. That's what I would do. That's right. It's simple, cheap. It's less expensive that way. You can get that at Dollar General in the dollar store. I'm just saying. Anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button up there. Make sure you follow me all over of Adsense Live. And see ya. Peace, bye, and subscribe.